Hello students. See, what about the topic actually? See, the shape of the molecules. The shape of the molecules. See, here, observe carefully. This is very important according to JEE point of view. Every year, maximum, every year it will be appear one question, my dear students. So be focused. First of all, to find out shape of molecules. So required. What is the required here actually? So required points here, very required points here, 2 points are required. So what is that 2 points? Hybridization and number of lone pairs. Hybridization and number of lone pairs. If you find that 2, automatically what happens? It is very easy to identify shape of molecule without Wersper theory. Without Wersper theory. So my dear students, be focused. Here, observe careful. Here one tabular form table have given. So what is the importance of that table? First of all, look at the board and listen my words carefully. Right? See here. First of all, hybridization, Sp hybridization with 0 lone pairs. Sp hybridization, see here, Sp hybridization with 0 lone pairs, that shape is linear. See, observe carefully, if any compound Sp hybridization with 0 lone pairs, that shape of the molecule is linear. Right? Now, Sp2 hybridization with 0 lone pairs, shape is triangular planar. Now here, Sp2 hybridization, 1 lone pair, what is the shape? Angular. So now see, let us see Sp3 hybridization. Sp3 hybridization with 0 lone pairs, what is the shape? Tetrahedral. Now Sp3 hybridization, 1 lone pair, that is shape is pyramidal. Sp3 hybridization, 2 lone pairs, that is angular. Now here, Sp3 hybridization, 3 lone pairs, linear. See here, what I want to say that if any compound Sp3 hybridization with 3 lone pairs means that is shape is linear, right? So remember this table. After that, Sp3D, Sp3D2 and Sp3D3 next lecture we'll see. Now have to remember this tabular form in any circumstances. Why? Because this is very important to find out shape of molecule. This is the best trick ever, right? I hope that, right? So be focused. Here, let's begin through previous JEE Mains examples. See here, let's begin the first example, that is NO2 plus. NO2 plus. See here, observe careful. What is the required here? The required points here to find out hybridization. After that, number of lone pairs. So automatically what happens? The shape of the molecule will be described. So here, first have to find out hybridization of NO2 plus. See here, first to finding hybridization, the very important point, that is group number. Group, GROUP. Group number. See here, group number of nitrogen, that is 5th group. Now valency of oxygen, that is 2. See sir, valency means what? The combining capacity of an element. See, valency 2 means oxygen makes 2 bonds, right? That is very important here. So now, observe careful. Nitrogen, group number 5. So that is the reason 5 valence electrons. 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th. Right. Now here, how many oxygens are there? 2 oxygens are there. Oxygen valence is 2. So that is the reason it makes double bond. Right here. In double bond, in double bond, one is sigma bond, another one is pi bond. One is sigma bond, another one is pi bond. So pi bonds could not participate in hybridization. That is very important. You have to remember that point. And moreover, one more point here is very important. That is, what is that important? Here, positive sign there. If positive sign there, you have to remove one electron. If you negative sign there, you have to add one electron. So that is very, very, very important. So my dear students, observe carefully here. Here, the positive sign there. So you have to remove this electron. Have to remove one electron, right? So now, what about a steric number? What about steric number? So steric number means what? Number of sigma bonds plus number of lone pairs. See here, the steric number equal to 2. That is, what is hybridization? Sp hybridization. If steric number is 3, what is hybridization? Sp2 hybridization. If steric number is 4, what is hybridization? Sp3 hybridization. Steric number is 5, what is hybridization? Sp3d2, Sp3d. If steric number is 6, what is hybridization? Sp3d2. If steric number is 7, what is the hybridization? Sp3d3. You have to learn in any circumstances this one, my dear students. Why? Because this is very, very, very useful to find out hybridization. Here, the steric number means the number of sigma bonds plus number of lone pairs. If the steric number is 2, what is the hybridization? Sp hybridization. If steric number is 3, Sp2 hybridization. If steric number is 4, Sp3, so on. So please take down this. After that, we'll discuss. Now, shall I wrap? Okay, right. Observe carefully. Here. How many sigma bonds are there in NO2 plus? 2 sigma bonds. 2 sigma bonds present. See, sir, any lone pairs? See, already we removed one electron, right? Here 4 electrons are there. The 4 electrons bonded with 2 oxygens, right? Why? Because oxygen valence is 2. So that is the reason it makes 2 bonds. So 2 sigma bonds plus 0 lone pairs. 0 lone pairs. Clear? Now what about steric number? Steric number is 2. 2 plus 0, 2. So steric number is 2. What is the hybridization? Sp hybridization. Clear? Now what about number of lone pairs? 0 number of lone pairs. 0 lone pairs. 0 lone pairs. See, please hold on. Please hold on. What is the importance of this table? See here, table level. Observe carefully. Sp hybridization with 0 lone pairs. Now you have to observe carefully. Look at the board here, right? Sp hybridization, 0 lone pairs. What is the shape? Linear. Sp hybridization, 0 lone pairs, linear. So that is the reason Sp hybridization with 0 lone pairs. What is the shape of this NO2 plus? NO2 plus is what is the shape? Linear. That's all. Linear. So my dear students, please be focused. Here, the very important table, this is, you have to learn like anything in any circumstances. See, Sp hybridization, 0 lone pairs, linear. If see any compound, if hybridization Sp, 0 lone pair means what? That is linear in shape. That's all. So please take down this. This is asked in 2006 JEE mains asked in 2006 shape of NO2 plus. So please take down this. Next. Next example, that is Bf3. Second example, Bf3, shape of Bf3. What asked? Shape asked. Which year? 2005. 2005 JEE mains. See sir, very simple. See, first have to find out hybridization. After that, number of lone pairs. So if find out hybridization, after that number of lone pairs, you have to see what is that shape of that molecule. So here, observe carefully here. Bf3. What about that boron group number? Group number of boron, third group. Now what about the fluorine valency? Valency of fluorine, what? 1. See sir, valency means what? Combining capacity. Once again I repeat, valency means combining capacity. Valency 1 means it makes only single bond. If valency 2 means it makes double bond. That's all. Now here observe carefully. Boron. Now here the boron group number is 3. So 3 valence electrons are present. Right? 3 valence, first electron, second electron, third electron. Now here 3 fluorines are there. So 3 fluorines makes 3 bonds. 3 bonds. All single bonds are sigma bonds. Here you have to write beta. Very important. All single bonds are sigma bonds. Sigma bonds. This is point number 1. Next, point number 2. In double bond, one is sigma bond, another one is pi bond, and another one is pi bond. See, pi bond could not participate in hybridization. Remember that. See, third point, in triple bond, one is sigma bond, 2 are pi bonds. 2 are pi bonds. Remember these 3 points. This is very important, right? Now here, see, all single bonds are sigma bonds. So this is sigma, this is sigma, this is sigma. Now here, what about the steric number? Steric number equal to number of sigma bonds. How many sigma bonds are there? 1, 2, 3. 3 sigma bonds. 3 sigma bonds. Any lone pairs? See here, 3 electrons bonded with 3 electrons. So 0 lone pairs. 0 lone pairs. 0 lone pairs. So what about the steric number? 3 plus 0, that is 3. So steric number is 3. What is hybridization? Sp2 hybridization. What about lone pairs? 0 lone pairs. Now hold on. What is the importance of this table? Observe carefully here. Observe carefully. What is the shape? What is the shape of Bf3? Sp2 hybridization. zero lone pairs. Here observe careful. Sp2 hybridization, zero lone pairs. So that is the reason triangular planar. Triangular planar. If any compound, take any compound here, sp2 hybridization with zero lone pairs, that shape is triangular planar. That's all. So Bf3 shape is what? Triangular planar. Triangular planar. That's all. So this is about 2005 JEE mains asked, my dear students. Please take down this. Next example. This third example. H2S shape asked in 1989. 1989 JEE mains. See what asked? H2S shape asked. So here again, what is the required? First you have to find hybridization, right? After that, number of lone pairs. If that is suppose sp3 hybridization, right? 2 lone pairs are there, means what is the shape? See here, observe carefully. sp3 hybridization with 0 lone pairs, tetrahedral. sp3 hybridization with 1 lone pair, pyramidal. If sp3 hybridization, 2 lone pairs, angular. So let's begin. What is the shape of that molecule? We'll find out first. Hybridization. Here, observe carefully here. Sulfur is a central atom. So group number of sulfur, 6th group. So valency of hydrogen 1. See, valency means combining capacity. If valency 1 means it makes only single bond, right? Remember that point. That is very important. Here, sulfur. So sulfur's group number is 6. So how many valence electrons are present? Group number 6 means 6 valence electrons are present. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Clear? Now here observe carefully. Observe carefully here. How many hydrogens are there? 2 hydrogens are there. First hydrogen, second hydrogen, right? All single bonds are sigma bonds. Just now we discussed here. This is 1 sigma. This is 1 sigma. Right? Clear? Now what about the lone pairs? This is 1 lone pair. This is another lone pairs. See, what about steric number? Steric number equal to number of sigma bonds. 2 sigma bonds. 2 sigma bonds plus how many lone pairs? 2 lone pairs. 2 lone pairs. So what is hybridization? So 2 plus 2, what? 4. Steric number is 4. See, steric number is 4 means which hybridization? sp3 hybridization. Now, how many number of lone pairs? 2 lone pairs are present. 2 lone pairs. 2 lone pairs are present. See here. Now observe, coming to the table. Here, observe carefully. Coming to the point. sp3 hybridization with the 2 lone pairs. Observe carefully. Check it out here. Sp3 hybridization. Sp3 hybridization with the two lone pairs. So what is the shape? Angular. If any compound Sp3 hybridization with the two lone pairs, the shape of molecule is angular. So what is the shape? Angular. Shape is angular of H2S. H2S shape is angular. Angular. That's all. See, this is a table is very important. See, you have to learn, write 10 times or 20 times. It doesn't matter, but you have to write. You have to learn that table. So we'll start. We'll see the next example. Please take down this. Now, I will say, see another example. See H2O. See H2O. So what is the shape of H2O, sir? Sir, H2O hybridization is Sp3 hybridization with the two lone pairs. So what is the shape? Angular. See, sir, here H2O is, what is hybridization? Sp3 hybridization. Why? Because sulfur, oxygen is the same group, so same number of lone pairs and same number of bond pairs. See here, Sp3 hybridization, H2O is Sp3 hybridization and two lone pairs. So what is the shape of this molecule? So shape of the molecule is angular. Angular, that's all. If same hybridization, same number of lone pair means the shape of the molecule is also same. So you have to remember that point. Right. Next example. See PCl, fourth example, that is PCl3. PCl3. Here, 1989 asked this one also. 1989 JEE Mains. JEE Mains. PCl3. Here, what about the group number of phosphorus? Group number phosphorus is fifth group, right? So valency of chlorine that is 1. See here, to find out hybridization so these two are very important, right? Group number and valency. Now here, phosphorus, which group? Fifth group. So that is the reason 5 valence electrons are present in valence shell. First one, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one. 5 electrons. Now here observe carefully. How many chlorines are there? 3 chlorines are there. So first chlorine, second chlorine, third chlorine. See, all single bonds are sigma bonds. All single bonds are sigma bonds. Now, what about this? This is one lone pair. Here, observe careful. What about the steric number? See, sir, steric number equal to what, sir? Steric number equal to here the number of sigma bonds. How many sigma bonds are there? 3 sigma bonds. 3 sigma bonds plus 1 lone pair. 1 lone pair, right? Now you observe careful. 3 plus 1, 4. See, the steric number is 4. So what is hybridization? The hybridization is Sp3 hybridization. Clear? Right? See, Sp3 hybridization along with 1 lone pair. 1 lone pair. sp3 hybridization with one lone pair. So what is the shape of PCl3? Coming to the point. Here, observe carefully here. See, use of this table, observe carefully here. sp3 hybridization with the one lone pair. What is the shape? Pyramidal. See sir, observe carefully sir, observe carefully here. See the sp3 hybridization with one lone pair. What is the shape? Pyramidal. If any compound, take any compound, if the sp3 hybridization with one lone pair there, means that shape of the molecule is pyramidal in any circumstances. So my dear students, please learn this table in any circumstances. Please be focused. So this is very important. So please take down this. So sp3 hybridization with one lone pair. So what is the shape of this molecule? PCl3. PCl3 shape is pyramidal. That's all. I hope you clear everyone. So this is our lecture. Next lecture will continue to next hybridizations, right? So 4 examples are finished. So further examples we'll discuss next lecture. So this is yours, Ravish. Take care. Bye-bye.